on Earth today is an airplane. Excluding those fighter jets used in the military field, large civil aircraft are the means of transportation that many people have taken. Its flight speed can reach more than 800 kilometers per hour and less than 1,000 kilometers per hour. In comparison, the speed of vehicles on the ground is much slower. Among the vehicles on the ground, the speed of a high-speed rail is probably the closest to that of an airplane. A few years ago, CSR developed a train that exceeded the maximum speed of high-speed rail. When the high-speed train was tested, the top speed reached an astonishing 605 kilometers per hour, which was much higher than the world record of 574.8 kilometers per hour at the time. It was unprecedented, but science and technology are always improving. After this high-speed train, China set a new world record. The speed of a high-speed train has reached an incredible 620 kilometers per hour. This speed is created by the superconducting maglev train that China is experimenting with. Although the train is only a test car at present, it has once again made China break the world record in terms of speed. The speed of 620 kilometers per hour is not too far from the speed of civil aviation. With China's continuous breakthroughs in high-speed rail technology, perhaps one day in the future, China's high-speed rail speed may exceed that of airplanes. The reason why China's high-speed rail can reach such an amazing speed, on one hand, depends on China's advanced high-speed rail research and development technology. On the other hand, China mainly uses advanced super-temperature and high-conductivity magnetic leviation technology. Speaking of this technology, we have to start with a maglev train. Magnetic leviation technology uses magnetism to counter gravity and allow objects to float. Why can planes fly so fast in the sky? Mainly because of the airflow. The resistance of the aircraft when flying in the sky is relatively small, and the vehicles on the ground have to contact the ground, which produces the strong frictional resistance during the contact process. This drag, combined with air resistance, is the main reason for limiting the speed of ground vehicles. So the speed of the plane in the sky is much faster than the speed of the car on the ground. The application of magnetic leviation technology allows the high-speed rail to leviate without the frictional resistance of the ground, only the frictional resistance of the air. In this way, the magnetic leviation is equivalent to an aircraft on the ground, so the speed can be greatly improved. However, due to the limitations of the high-speed rail itself, the speed of the maglev train cannot be compared with that of the plane. High-temperature superconducting maglev technology has helped China set the latest world record. Through the continuous innovation of high-speed rail technology by engineers, we believe that, shortly, Chinese people will be able to ride high-speed trains exceeding 600 kilometers per hour. Although the high-temperature superconducting maglev train invented in China is only a test vehicle, it is of great significance. This is the world's first maglev train using high-temperature superconducting technology, which was independently developed by China. At present, the fastest high-speed rail in China has a speed of 605 kilometers per hour, which has broken the record of 574.8 kilometers per hour held by France and has become the fastest high-speed rail in the world. After seeing the strength of China's high-speed rail, Western countries have gradually begun to recognize the reality. Instead of blindly chasing China, it is better to ask the Chinese side to help build high-speed rail. There is no doubt that China's high-speed rail is the world leader. High-speed railway technology is a complex system engineering, and its innovation is a process full of thorns. The ambition of Chinese scientific workers guides and encourages Chinese engineers to develop and innovate, and has embarked on a road of technological leadership.